come with me to get my own blood injected into my scalp. This is not as scary as it sounds. It's actually not an abnormal procedure called PRP hair therapy, and that's what I'm going to do. So basically, I have like fine, thin hair. I always have. And after having Lachlan 2 years ago, I just find that my hair is thinner and it's also taking a while to regrow. You know, like there's like maybe this much regrowth. All of those hormones like screw with your body. And I've heard really good things about PRP in your scalp. So that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to go see Dr. Kelly Kasteel, and she's going to be overseeing all of that. I'm really excited. Come with me to see what it's like, what it actually feels like. Does this actually work? I'm very honest. I will tell you exactly how it feels. And yeah, let's go. So I am by no means a medical expert or an expert in this particular field, but I just wanted to give you a rundown. Basically, PRP stands for platelet-rich plasma, and PRP therapy, which is what this is basically regenerative medicine that uses a patient's own blood cells to accelerate healing in a specific area of the body, namely my scalp. So your blood is drawn and then spun in a centrifuge to concentrate the platelet component of your blood. And then it's injected back into your body. So like whether it's in your face or your scalp, whatever part that you need help with healing. It's your own blood that you're then injecting back into your body. So that's what we're doing today. So I'm going to be going for 4 treatments, 6 to 8 weeks apart. I'm really not expecting things to change overnight. I think that that's important. You need to manage your expectations. Like your hair takes a certain amount of time to grow. So you can't expect your hair just to like all of a sudden get much thicker. From my understanding, you're kind of like regenerating the hair follicle. And I think in like a lot of this hair therapy stuff, like it's going to take a while. So I'm going to go for 4 treatments and we're going to see what happens. But I'm really excited. Okay, I've been sick for like the past 5 days. So I'm just wearing a sweatsuit with my favorite green coat over, the robe boots, black bag, and a hat because I'm not sure what my hair is going to look like after. Okay, I'm done. That was so fast. It was way faster and easier than I thought it was going to be. It wasn't super painful. I didn't have any numbing or anything. In general, I've been told that my pain tolerance for this stuff is like pretty good. I was totally fine. Although it was really funny. She said women in general can manage their pain a lot better than men, like in this specific instance. So my head feels a little bit sore. It's more like uncomfortable. She said not to like exercise or wash my hair or wear a hat at least till tomorrow. I probably won't wash my hair tomorrow either, to be honest, even though it's not looking great. She also gave me a prescription for minoxidil drops. So I'm going to start doing that as well. Just kind of like try to bump this up all at the same time. I'm going to book in about 6 to 8 weeks, do my second treatment of 4. We'll see how it goes. Good morning. I just wanted to give you an update on how it went overnight and how my scalp is feeling this morning. Oh, there's Theo. Sorry, Theo. Am I bothering you? Basically, everything feels totally normal. I had no pain. Probably like half an hour after I got home from my appointment, my scalp stopped kind of like tingling or just feeling a little bit sensitive. There was like no bleeding. It feels totally normal today. Like I'm not going to exercise or like do anything that could interfere with the platelet-rich plasma that's on my scalp, but it feels totally normal, which is amazing. I'm just gonna wear a hat while I'm out, just like leave it and then wash it tomorrow. Okay, we are going in for appointment number 3. My hair is wet. I wanted to wash it before I went in because you can't wash your hair for at least like a day so that all the like PRP stays in there. So I've had 2 treatments so far. I honestly can tell a difference. Like my hair feels thicker. It feels
feels like there's more growing in, and this is going to take like a long time. My hairstylist, who had no idea that this was happening, was like, your hair feels thicker. And I was like, oh, okay. So far, so good. I'm really happy with the results, and I will be showing you like before and after photos and all of that. Let's go in for treatment number 3. I'm all done. It was definitely more painful this time, I think because I'm PMSing. I've heard that your pain tolerance is lower. This is what my hair looks like. Well, it doesn't even really look greasy, but it'll just kind of dry down. This is my 3rd session. We're definitely going to keep going. She said the hair cycle is 4 to 6 months. So the 4th cycle will definitely show results. Like, this is not a quick fix by any means. It's definitely going to have like longer term results. I'm really excited about that. I will check in with you guys in about 6 weeks. Okay, so session number 4 is done. I am really, really excited about the results, and I'm excited to show you guys. So it actually was a little bit more painful. Dr. Kasteel and then her nurse did it at the same time to get it done quicker, but obviously that means that you've got a lot more going on. But in general, it's not very painful. I think some places can numb you if you want. I didn't do that. They also use a Theragun as a little bit of a distraction, and it actually feels really nice on your scalp anyway. In general, I wouldn't say that the pain is super high at all. As with all my other sessions, I'm just gonna leave it for at least 24 hours. I'm not gonna wear a hat right now just till everything kind of like dries down. And they do say to leave it for as long as you can. So I'm gonna head home. I have a meeting. I have a lot more work to do today, actually. It is so hot today. It has been so hot for this past week. It's like almost unbearable. Like, anyone who thinks that climate change is a hoax, I don't understand. Okay, got my matcha latte. Goodbye. WC handy, then I'm walking in Memphis, just walking with my feet 10 feet off a beer. So it's been months and you've seen kind of the whole process. So I just wanted to wrap everything up and give you my thoughts after we've done 4 treatments. Basically, all in all, I'm really impressed with it. My hair definitely looks thicker and fuller. It seems like there's more hair. I don't have it done right now, but you can just like see how much fuller and more volume it has. Like I said in the beginning, this is not a quick fix. This is definitely like a long-term change that's gonna last. And so obviously that takes time. But again, I'm super happy with the results. Here I'll put in some of the before and afters, and you can just see my sweet poor little hair was just like really struggling postpartum and like filling back in. Like I said before, I have fine hair already, and then the postpartum hair loss and then how long it was taking to come in. It was difficult, honestly, especially because I'm on camera so much. I feel like it's difficult as a woman anyway to deal with something like that. It was hard like seeing that on camera all the time. It's definitely like a vulnerable thing to be putting out there. So I'm really glad that I took this step and went to see Dr. Kasteel. Her and her team were amazing. They're all friends and they're so funny and easy to be around and obviously really know what they're doing. So highly, highly recommend going there for sure. I'm definitely very happy with the results. I feel a lot more confident about my hair, and it's not even just like the hair here, you know, which is slowly growing out, but it just kind of like filled in everywhere. Like, you don't really see your head from the top. And so when I was seeing those photos, you kind of realize how kind of like thin and like wide my part was. So that was like a little bit jarring, but then seeing that with the after photo was really nice. Like, you can really see a difference in the thickness of the hair. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments, or you can shoot me a message. Same thing on Instagram. My handle is @theaugustdiaries if you would rather just chat in private. I hope this gave you some more information about it and kind of showed you what to expect. I really hope it was helpful. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.